If you do not want to be financially free, then click the skip button. But if you want to be financially free and be able to do whatever you want, we have a wonderful online business that will enable you to do this.
Hi, this is Sarah and Colin. Just like you, we were also interested in becoming financially free. And we spent time looking into different options, wondering what it is we could do to become financially free. But thanks be to God, not too long ago we were listening to gospel music on social media, and we came across an ad from a successful couple running a successful online business, who they have been able to pay off their consumer debt, support ministry, support family, travel the world, and do so many things. And without hesitation, we clicked the Learn More button and we signed up for a webinar similar to this one that we are inviting you to attend. So please click the link below. Register yourself with your name and email address, and we are going to send you information about a free webinar.
Now, this online business is not ordinary. It's an online business where we encourage and help each other to help each other grow and learn so that we can be financially free. So if you click the link below for a free webinar.
If you're someone who is coachable, who is willing to grow, who is looking forward to becoming successful, click the link below.
Thank you and God bless you.
Bless you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.